Hello students, today we are going to learn some more problems on irrational numbers. Okay, so here find the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay, so 5 plus 2 root 6, square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. First, you take this 5, you write the factors of 5, and whenever you are adding those two numbers, you must get 5. Whenever you are multiplying those two factors, you must get 6. Okay, so 5 can be written as 2 plus 3. I am writing 5 as 2 plus 3, and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So sum is 5 and product is 6. So this type of numbers we have to take for finding the square root. Now I am writing this 5 plus 2 root 6 as square root of 5 as root of 2 whole square plus root 3 whole square. Okay, root 2 whole square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Right? Now here square root gets cancelled and here square root gets cancelled. Remainder is 2 plus 3, 5, and 2 into root 3 into root 2, that is root 6. We get the same value. So this can be written as square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So what is a in this? Root 2. So this can be written as root 2 plus root 3 whole square. Okay, root 2 plus root 3 whole square. Now this is equal, we have to find the square root. So here square and root gets cancelled. What is the remainder? Root 2 plus root 3. So the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is root 2 plus root 3. Okay. Next question, find the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. So we have to do this problem in the same as previous problem. Okay. Now root of 11 plus 2 root 30. So 11 can be written as the sum of two numbers. So whenever we multiply those two numbers, we must get 30. So I can write 11 as 5 plus 6 and 30 as 5 into 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 5 into 6 is 30. Now this can be written as root of 11 can be written as root 5 whole square plus root 6 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 6. Okay. Now this is root 5 square. Square root gets cancelled, remainder 5. Root 6 whole square. Square root gets cancelled, remainder 6. 2 into root 5 into root 6. So root 5 into root 6 is root 30. Okay. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Okay. Now this can be written as root 5 plus root 6 whole square. So root 5 plus root 6 whole square. So that is equal to how much? Square root gets cancelled. Remainder is root 5 plus root 6. Okay, understood children? Now square root of 11 plus 2 root 30 is equal to root 5 plus root 6. Okay? Okay, next question. Find the square root of 13 minus 2 root 42. Okay, square root of 13 minus 2 root 42. Okay, now I am writing this 13 as 13 is equal to 7 plus 6 and 42 as 7 into 6. Okay, 7 plus 6 13, 7 into 6 42. Now this can be written as root of 13, 7 plus 6. So that is root 7 whole square plus root 6 whole square minus 2 into root of 42 can be written as root 7 into root 6. Okay. Now root 7 whole square is square root gets cancelled, 7 remainder. Root 6 whole square is square root gets cancelled, 6 remainder. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 into 6 42. Now this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Since a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. Now this can be written as root of a minus b whole square. Root 7 minus root 6 whole square. Okay. Now square root gets cancelled. So this is equal to root 7 minus root 6. Okay, understood children? Simplify 4th root of 81 minus 8 into cubed root of 343 plus 15 into 5th root of 32 plus square root of 225. So here the radicand is 81. Now we have to write this 81 in terms of 4 equal factors. 4 equal factors. 343, 3 equal factors. 32, 5 equal factors. 225, 2 equal factors. Okay. So 4th root of 81 can be written as 4th root of 3 to the power of 4 minus 8 into cubed root of 7 cubed plus 15 into 5th root of 32 can be written as 5 equal factors, that is 2 to the power of 5 plus square root of 225 can be written as 2 equal factors, that is 15 square. Okay. Now 4th root of 3 to the power of 4. So 4th root can be written as, or nth root can be written as, whole to the power of 1 by n. Okay. So nth root of a can be written as a whole to the power of 1 by n. Okay. Now in the same way we have to write this 3 to the power of 4th root of 3 to the power of 4 can be written as 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 minus 8 into cube root of 7 cube can be written as 7 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 15 into 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5 plus 15 square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Square root means whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now you cancel 4, 4, 3, 3, 5, 5, 2, 2. Now reminders 3 minus 8 into 7 plus 15 into 2 plus 15. 3 minus 8 sevens are 56 plus 15 twos are 30 plus 15. Now 30 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 3, 48. Minus 56 plus 48. So that is equal to minus 8. Okay. Okay, next question. Simplify square root of 98 plus square root of 50 minus square root of 72. If you don't know how to write the given values as the product of two equal factors directly, now you have to take out the LCM. So 98 can be written as 98, 2 4s are 2 9s are. Next one 7 7s are 49. Next one root 50. So 50 can be written as 2 10s are, sorry, 2 25s are, 5 5s are. Next one 72 can be written as 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are. Okay. Now first root of 98 can be written as square root of 2 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7. So this 7 into 7 is one pair plus root of 50 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5. Here 5 into 5 is one pair minus root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Here 3 into 3 is one pair, 2 into 2 is another pair. Here 5 into 5 one pair and 7 into 7 one pair. So to find the square root we have to take it 1 7 into outside and 1 5 into outside, 1 2 into outside and 1 3 into outside. So this can be written as 7 into root 2 plus 5 into root 2 minus 2 into 3 into root 2. Okay. Now 7 into root 2, 7 root 2 plus 5 root 2 minus 2 3s are 6 root 2. So 7 root 2 plus 5 root 2, 12 root 2. 12 root 2 minus 6 root 2, that is equal to 6 root 2. Okay. Next one, you try to do these problems as the, okay, you try to do these two problems as the homework. The first one is 4 root 3 minus 3 root 12 plus 2 root 75, and second one is cubed root of 3 plus cubed root of 243 minus cubed root of 24. Okay, thank you.